Hi friends, I am Anshuman Srivastava. I have cleared IBPS RRB Office Assistant this year. I had completed my graduation in science last year. It has been a journey. Started just after graduation to a goal and got my first government job in 6 months. I would like to thank Oliveboard for giving me a chance to share my journey from zero to a banker. It's an honor to share some tips on this platform. I would like to share some my brief intro. I have completed graduation in BSc Mathematics last year in May 2018. After completing my last exam, I set my unidirectional aim to get a government job. In starting, I was new. I got to know from my batchmate about Oliveboard that how it helped us to reach our goal. I had cleared all the pre of RRB PO clerk, IBPS PO, IBPS clerk. Unfortunately, can't get through PO mains in both, but I learned from this because every failure has a lesson in it. So here come to preparation strategy. Banking exams are all about how well you stick up to concept in each subject and how you maintain accurate speed in prelims as well as in mains. Here I will suggest some important tips in each and every section for banking examinations. Most importantly, prepare yourself for each and every kind of puzzles and data interpretation. This is the bottom line of every preparation. First of all, I would like to say mock test. This is the most important thing in preparation for examination. I had given 2 mock tests per day for prelims and 1 in 2 days for mains. Then go through full analysis of your performance. Analyzing is important because if you ever got in exam again, you practice for that specific question, then you will surely do better. Do check your speed on test and make a graph of your performance because every mock is like an exam in itself. Now for each student, I would like to say for quant. First, we should start with the quant subject. देखो, clear your concept for this subject. Go through Oliveboard online course where you can get conceptual videos, topic-wise classes, which are very useful for a beginner. Make your calculation speed so accurate for prelims because there you will be required a good speed of solving. Try to prepare some important arithmetic section like profit loss, time speed, time and work, percentage, ratio, CISI, mixture allocation, data interpretation. Then go through the daily quant quiz by Oliveboard and wherever you feel comfort. Analyze each question. You can buy R.S. Agrawal arithmetic book for offline practice. This I had practiced with R.S. Agrawal arithmetic. Next, we will move to reasoning section. Reasoning is something which totally depend on how you adopt any problem to solve. If you don't know the basic or if you want to practice some healthy content, then you can go through Oliveboard concept classes. Then practice by the ebooks, PDFs, wherever you can, solving puzzles day by day. Practice on this section will surely make you feel better. For high level, you can download materials and then practice on it. You have cleared now. If you have cleared your basics, then you should go for mains level puzzle. You can solve puzzle from many sources which have good content. How I prepare English section. This is something where I found many difficulties through my preparation. बट डेली प्रैक्टिस रीडिंग न्यूज़पेपर द हिंदू प्रीफर्ड. हिंदू बेस्ट है क्योंकि उसके कंटेंट अच्छे रहते हैं. एडिटोरियल्स देन समराइज ईच एंड एवरी पैराग्राफ विल श्योरली हेल्प यू. फॉर ग्रामर यू कैन वॉच ऑनलाइन क्लासेस एंड नोट डाउन इन कॉपी दैट मेक अ हैबिट फॉर रिविजन. As IBPS always have surprise in their exam, so be prepared for the new pattern exam questions in the examination. You can prefer book as I preferred Plint to Paramount book for basic grammar and word power made easy for vocabulary. Next, GK, which is most important subject in banking examination which come in mains. I had prepared daily from the day 1 for prelims, but I would like to say you have to prepare GK daily. In GK there are 3 sections. Like first, static banking. You should make a fair note and you can download PDF by Oliveboard and Affairs Clouds or wherever you want and learn. I prefer to download Affairs Cloud and Oliveboard both and make some important banking awareness notes. Static GK. There are many materials for learning GK, but I would suggest you to make a note and learn statewise. It might get easy for you. Remember, you have to revise each section at least 3 to 4 times during your preparation. concept wise, like power plants, thermal plants, dams and rivers, state capitals, currencies, CM governors, schemes launched by government. These are some kind of topic for strategy K. You have to make a note. Then current affairs, most important section for every aspirant. You can read daily current affairs by several platforms like Oliveboard, Affairs Cloud, newspaper. Try to learn at least from 3 to 4 sources. It will help you. After that you will get monthly board PDF by Oliveboard, which is good as I too followed, and then boost up your preparation with monthly MCQs and quants. Computer. As this is an important subject in RRB examination, you can learn important question from book or PDF. For book, I would suggest Lucian Computer, and or for PDF, you can download from Oliveboard, which is sufficient for this. I prepare from Oliveboard, Affairs Cloud, where I must say that the role of Oliveboard in my preparation played a major part in my success. During my preparation, Oliveboard had a major role. Their mock tests are proved to be beneficial for everyone. They have new pattern question. They have detailed solution of each questions. They always bring latest pattern in their test, which are so close to the exact new pattern. If you gave mock test and found question in the exam, you will have no problem in that. Moreover, the analysis section and the detailed solution of each and every question provided by them is very useful in order to improve your weaker areas before attempting the next mock. Remember one thing, giving a mock, then make sure you analyze full mock test and then go to the next mock. This will surely help you to crack the exam. Some important tips to aspirants: start your preparation from wherever you stand, because banking examination need practice and practice. Analyze your weak areas to improve them, and then you will find yourself in a safe zone. Make your strongest section the strongest among all of them. Lastly, I would love to share with the aspirant that never lose hope in your life. Every hero was once a zero. It is only hard work and dedication towards their goal which make them hero from a zero. I wish all the very best to all of you. Thank you, sir.